Hello, Mr. Noggle here. I just want to go over how you're expected to find the resources for your ecology web quest that we'll be doing. As we've already discussed, ecology is a unit that's important for the biology keystone exam that you take at the end of the year. However, we don't cover a lot of it this year because you covered a lot of it last year in ninth grade for environmental science. We're also doing this refresher for any of you that didn't take environmental science or weren't here, because the last time you should have seen this information was seventh grade when you took life sciences. But if something is really challenging to you, please let me know so we can help you get caught up. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to my website. Remember, I have a tinyurl.com/MrNoggle that you're going to put up here in the web address bar. When you go there, it should look something like this. You're going to go over to this little upper box here of this little sidebar. You're going to want to click biology links. And then when you come to this page, you're going to see a little sub-page known as ecology links. Click that. And then here we're going to have the ecology Webquest links. And this is a document. So you click that, it'll open it up. And then here you can see a bunch of websites you can use to find your information. Study Island that we've gone over, how to log in, get your stuff. If you want, you may use Study Island's lesson on ecology. Right here is the worksheet that you're using for this assignment in case you lost it or you need another copy or you want to see it on the screen. Here's a Wikibooks on ecology. Generally, we don't use Wikibooks or Wikipedia websites, but this one's extremely reliable and I checked it out. And then here's all the notes I used to do for ecology in the past years that if you would like to look through those, you may. And then a Khan Academy that has nice review videos and a little mini lessons and a quiz that you can take as well if you're interested. This up here at top I want to show you, this is a custom Google search. So you can search any term in ecology or any phrase about ecology. I'll only return things with pages that deal with ecology that I found. So for example, population. All right, and then you can see a bunch of websites about population, okay? All right, so if you have any questions, please ask. Thanks.